In this video, I'll detail how to enable or disable handoff on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have an iPhone and iPad and you want to pick up whatever you are doing on your iPhone or your iPad, or you want to pick up whatever you are doing on your iPad or your iPhone to continue from there, then you may need to turn on handoff on your iPhone. But if you don't want this to happen, just make sure you disable handoff. So if I download this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to enable or disable handoff on your iPhone on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and here select general. Once you selected general, you want to scroll down, locate AirPlay and continuity and click on that. Once you click on that, then you should see handoff here. You can see handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other devices using the iCloud account. So you just need to sign in the same iCloud account on all your Apple devices to use handoff. Then this is going to enable handoff with this what you're seeing. Enabled, then to disable it, disabled. So that's all you need to do to enable or disable handoff on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.